Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bread Savings, a new bank that's been popping up all over the internet lately. I've been getting a lot of questions about this bank, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it and share my thoughts. So, what is Bread Savings? Well, it's a digital bank that's designed to help you save money. They offer a variety of features that are designed to make saving money easier, such as automatic savings, interest-earning accounts, and budgeting tools. But is Bread Savings a legit bank? That's the question that I'm going to be answering in this video. I'll be looking at the bank's history, its features, and its security to help you decide if it's right for you. So, let's start by talking about the history of Bread Savings. The bank was founded in 2018 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Bread Savings is a subsidiary of Bread Financial, which is a fintech company that also offers credit cards and personal loans. Bread Savings is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which means that your money is insured up to $250,000. This is important because it means that your money is safe even if the bank were to fail. Now, let's talk about the features that Bread Savings offers. One of the most popular features is the automatic savings feature. This feature allows you to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. You can choose how much money you want to transfer each month and how often you want to transfer it. Another popular feature is the interest-earning accounts. Bread Savings offers a variety of interest-earning accounts, including high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. The interest rates on these accounts are competitive with other banks. Bread Savings also offers a variety of budgeting tools. These tools can help you track your spending, create a budget, and save money. Now, let's talk about the security of Bread Savings. The bank uses a variety of security measures to protect your money and personal information. These measures include encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud monitoring. Bread Savings is also a member of the National Credit Union Administration, NCUA, which is a government agency that regulates credit unions. This means that the bank is subject to strict regulations that are designed to protect consumers. So, is Bread Savings a legit bank? Yes, I believe that it is. The bank is FDIC insured, it offers a variety of features that can help you save money, and it has a strong security record. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before you open an account with Bread Savings. First, the bank is still a relatively new company, so it doesn't have as much experience as some of the larger banks. Second, the bank doesn't offer as many features as some of the other online banks. Overall, I think that Bread Savings is a good option for people who are looking for a simple and easy-to-use bank that offers competitive interest rates. However, if you're looking for a bank with more features, you may want to consider another option. So, there you have it. That's my review of Bread Savings. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.